Okay, so workbench list multi-select modifier. The modifier to be used to add an item in trees and lists to a multi-selection with the mouse. For example, in Explorer, Open Editors, and the Source Control Manager view. The open to side mouse gestures, if supported, will adapt such that they do not conflict with the multi-select modifier. So by default, this is set to control command, which means it maps to control on Windows and Linux and to command on macOS. So let me show you what that looks like. Let me enable the screencast. And now you see what keys I press. And if I press command and then select these files or folders, I'm doing a multi-selection, right? The other option is with Alt, and now if you press command, you're going to open the editor to the right, which was what you used to do when you pressed Alt, and now Alt does the multi-selection, right, instead. So it adapts. I do enjoy having the control command because that's usually the key that I use for selecting anything in macOS really, and in Windows too. Like when you want to make a multi-selection, you either press Control or Command. I mean Control Windows and Linux or Command in macOS. So I'm leaving this one with a default value of Control Command.